In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use classes on QuickBooks. Classes let you tag your income and expenses by department, project, product line, or any category you care about, so your reports tell a clearer story. We'll turn the feature on and create your first class, step by step. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with the right permissions to update company settings. Start by opening QuickBooks and clicking the settings icon, the small gear near the top of your screen. From there, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control the backbone of how your books behave, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right company if you manage more than one. Next, go to the Advanced tab on the left. Look for the section labeled Categories. Here's where the power of classes lives. Turn on Track Classes, and while you're here, switch on Track Locations as well. Locations are a separate tag you can use for things like offices or regions, and enabling both gives you flexible reporting without changing your chart of accounts. Turning these on means you'll see class and location fields available on your transactions. After toggling them on, click Save. QuickBooks will confirm your changes, and you're all set to start building your class list. Now, let's create your first class. Click the settings icon again to return to your quick actions, then choose All Lists. From the List Center, select Classes. This page is your home base for managing class names, deactivating old ones, and keeping your list tidy as your business evolves. Click New to add a class. In the Name field, type a clear, consistent label. Think about how you'll want to filter reports later. For example, use names like Marketing, Wholesale, or Project Alpha. Keep it short but descriptive, so your team can pick the right option at a glance. When you're happy with the name, click Save. That's it. You've enabled class tracking and created your first class. From now on, when you enter transactions like invoices, bills, and expenses, you'll see a place to assign a class. Consistency is key. Communicate your naming conventions to anyone entering transactions so your reports stay clean. If you ever need to refine your list, return to the Classes page to add more or adjust existing names. With classes in place, your profit and loss by class and other segmented reports will help you quickly spot trends, compare performance, and make smarter decisions.